This is a Fourprobe method or band gap of a semiconductor or resistivity, study of resistivity by Fourprobe method. This is a milliammeter, this is a voltmeter. What this is, two red and black wire is there, we connected here, and green and blue, this yellow wire is there, we connected to a milliammeter. This is for adjusting the voltage, this current for experiment. Let us say I am putting it on 1.53. This is stable, this is the voltage, we can check it. On off switch is for heating and this is for high heating and slow heating. We can select the current voltage by this 200 millivolts section, or this is 2000 millivolts section. Let us say I am going on experimenting the crystal comes to you in this box, in this paper, already put it. Now you can see inside the crystal, you can see the inside crystal is connected diagonally. You can see this is having all four probes are connected. You can see this is by pushing this spring loaded system. Each one probe has a distance of 3 mm. Inside the center one is 4 mm. The thickness of the crystal is 1 mm. You can put this crystal and then connect the wire, and I am putting this mini oven also, and then we can put this crystal and all of the chamber and unit inside the oven. This is a mini oven. Here heating will be done, and on this there is a one temperature this thermometer. You can insert, we have the thermometer here, mercury thermometer, which we will insert here, and then you can do the experiment. First take the temperature to about say 150 degrees. The temperature, the voltage will change, and then slowly take reading after every 10 degrees change, and then switch off the heater, and then slowly take the reading after coming down after every 10 degrees, and then calculate the graph. Here as this calculation, whatever is there, band gap we can check up, and here we have the distance between this is approximately 3 mm, thickness is 1 mm, and the temperature is in degrees centigrade. If you go with the Kelvin, you can convert by adding 273 degrees, it becomes Kelvin. And the voltage, in what is the voltage at particular temperature, you can put a graph here and then perform the calculation by this number. Calculation is 8, all these calculations are done, and 8.6 2K, K is the Kelvin temperature, 8.6 is a volts constant, and then we plot this graph. Do the experiment as per your books, and the graph can be calculated. We have all the instruments, research instruments. Our website is abronexports.com. Email is abron01@gmail.com. info@abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is 99922222049, and then is 94160200018. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the videos, and do the experiment as per your books. Thank you very much.